Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to your SST class. As you know that our final examination is going to be start and we have one more chapter to revise. So today we are going to revise one more chapter, that is chapter number 19, National Symbols. Everyone take out your book. So everyone take out your book. Chapter number 19, National Symbols of our country. What is national symbol? National symbols are intrinsic to the Indian identity and heritage. Indians of all demographic backgrounds across the world are proud of these national symbols as they infuse a sense of pride and patriotism in every Indian's heart. Okay, so these national symbols gives a special identity to nation. Okay, and these symbols are sacred to people of the nation, not only of our country. For any country, the national symbol are very sacred for them. In our country, many national symbols are there. Okay, in all the fields. Let us start first from national flag. Yes, this is our pride. This is our national flag. It is known as Tiranga or tricolor. The name of our national flag is Tiranga or tricolor. It has three horizontal bands, as you can see here. First one is saffron, second one is white, and third one is green. And in between, you can see there is a blue color wheel. Okay, this is our national flag. And each color of national flag says us something. The saffron color stands for courage and sacrifice, whereas white color stands for peace. Green color shows prosperity, and the blue wheel of our national flag tells us that we should always move forward towards the development of our country. There is a fixed ratio of its length and width. Okay, if the width of national flag is 2 centimeter, then its length will be 3 centimeter. Here you can see. If its width if its width is 2 centimeter, then its length will be 3 centimeter. Okay, if you will increase the length of the national flag, its width will also increase. Okay, like if you will make it 4 centimeter, then it will become 6 centimeter. Clear? In between the national flag, there is a chakra which has 24 spokes. We have to follow a code while hoisting the national flag. Okay, what code we have to follow? While hoisting the national flag, the saffron band should be at the top. Okay. Second, the flag should be raised from sunrise to sunset. Third, when the flag is raised or lowered, we must stand at attention and salute it. In a procession, the flag should be on the right shoulder and the person who is carrying the national flag should be at front. A torn or dirty flag should not be hoisted. A flag should not be draped oneself or as a piece of garment. These are some rules when we are going to hoist a national flag. Next, national anthem. Jana Gana Mana is national anthem of our country. It was written by poet Rabindranath Tagore. The complete song consists of 5 stanzas, and the first stanza out of the 5 stanzas of the song forms our national anthem. It was adopted as national anthem of our country on 24th of January 1950. It was rendered in English by Tagore himself First, it was written in Bengali language. It was first sung on 27th December 1911, many years before the independence, at the Calcutta session of Indian National Congress. The complete song consists of 5 stanzas. The first stanza constitutes the full version of national anthem, and the playing time of our national anthem is 52 seconds. It was first called as Morning Song in India, and it was first published under the title of Bharat Vidhata in a magazine called Tattva Bodhini Patrika. The name of the magazine was Tattva Bodhini Patrika. Here it is our national song, it's written over there. Sorry, it is our national anthem written over there. National song, our national song is Vande Mataram, which was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. And the word Vande Mataram means Hail Motherland. It occurs in Bankim Chandra's novel Anand Mat. Now, national emblem, the 4 lions, the lion capital, it is our national emblem. Okay. The national emblem is the official seal of a government of India. We can find it on all documents, all government documents, postal letters, envelopes, currency and coins. The national emblem has been taken from lion capital of Ashoka pillar at Sarnath near Varanasi. And in this, 4 lions are standing back to back. In our national emblem, 4 lions are standing back to back. Here you can see in this picture. And these 4 lions indicates 4 directions. Okay, these 4 lions are facing 4 directions. And from any direction you will see only 3 are visible. Okay, it looks similar from all the sides. On the base of this national emblem, you can see here one horse is there, which represents speed and energy, and one bull is there on the right hand side. It represents hard work. And here you can see in the middle Ashoka Chakra is over there, and just downside of that chakra Satyamev Jayate is written over there. The meaning of Satyamev Jayate is truth alone triumphs. Okay, this is the national emblem of our country. Now, national animal, Royal Bengal Tiger. It is our national animal. National fruit of our country is mango. In our country, more than 100 varieties of mangoes are found. Okay, are grown in our country. These mangoes are of different size, different shapes and different colors. Our national bird is peacock. Peacock, which shows vivid color, unity of vivid colors. Okay, that's why it is our national bird. Banyan is the national tree of our country. And aquatic animal, national aquatic animal is river dolphin. River Ganga is the national river of our country. Lotus is national flower of our country. Here you can see this is the picture of river Ganga, which is national river of our country. So these all are the national symbols of our country, which represents our country. Now here some questions are there related to this chapter. Let us see the questions, and I know you are able to give the answer of all the questions. Which song was the powerful battle cry of Indians in their struggle for freedom? The song was Vande Mataram. National emblem has been taken from Ashoka pillar near Varanasi, Sarnath. What is the playing time of national anthem? Right now I have told you it is 52 seconds. What is the ratio of width to the length of national flag? It is 2:3. And what is saffron color of Tiranga stand for? Saffron color of Tiranga stands for courage and sacrifice. Next, true false. Vande Mataram is our national anthem. No, it is false. It is our national song. Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. Apple is our national fruit. It is also wrong. Our national fruit is mango. There are 24 spokes in Chakra. Yes, it is correct. True. Our national song was first sung at the political meeting in 1896. Yes, it is also true. And our national anthem was first called Morning Song of India. It is also true. Now fill in the blanks. The song Vande Mataram occurs in Banking Chand's novel Anand Math. National anthem was first published under the title Bharat Vidhata in magazine Tattva Bodhini. Tattva Bodhini Patrika. The name of magazine was Tattva Bodhini Patrika. The word Vande Mataram means Hail Motherland. Satyamev Jayate means truth alone triumphs. And the bull represents hard work. The horse represents speed and energy on national emblem. So this type of questions can come in your examination. So practice for your examination and prepare for examination. Revise whole portion. All the best for your examination. Bye-bye.